As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Coleman RoadTrip 285. What are your initial thoughts?
Well, right off the bat, the Bighorn is all about that intense heat. It boasts 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit with its infrared burner. That's serious searing power. The Coleman, it maxes out at 20,000 BTUs.
Yeah, that 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit is definitely a selling point for steak lovers. But 20,000 BTUs isn't bad either. What about size and versatility?
The Coleman has a larger cooking area, 285 square inches versus the Bighorn's 143. Plus, it has 3 adjustable burners for more controlled cooking. The Bighorn, though smaller, has a 10-tier adjustable rack, so you can cook different things at different levels. And it comes with a pizza stone.
True, the pizza stone is cool. The Coleman mentions swap top options, so you can customize with griddles and such. It's also got folding legs and wheels for easy transport. The Bighorn is tabletop, so it's portable, but you need a table.
Right, the Coleman is definitely more geared towards being a standalone grill you can move around. The Bighorn is more of a high-intensity searing station you'd set up on a surface.
What about the materials and build? Both are stainless steel, which is good for durability and cleaning.
The Bighorn emphasizes its rust-proof stainless steel and dishwasher-safe components. The Coleman mentions cast iron for the frame and handle, which should hold up well. The Coleman comes with a 3-year warranty.
The Coleman has a grease tray and side tables, which is convenient and is an Amazon's Choice product. The Bighorn collects drippings for flavorful sauces, which sounds pretty fancy.
So it really comes down to what you prioritize. If you want intense searing and don't mind a smaller cooking area, the Bighorn is a solid choice. If you want more versatility, a larger cooking surface, and easier portability, the Coleman is the way to go. And don't forget the price difference.
Good points. I think it depends on if I'm mainly searing steaks or doing more general grilling. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.